Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today working on a 2022 Honda CRF125F. Doing an oil change. Got it mounted up on the stand right here. Got it level. All right, warm it up so the oil flows better. All right, drain with a 17 millimeter right up through this hole. All right, make sure you put your new crush washer on there. All right, so with the bolt back in and the new crush washer, I torqued it down. It's 18 foot-pounds. Whenever I do anything under 20 foot-pounds, I like to do it with an inch-pound torque wrench. So that is 216 inch-pounds if you're gonna do it with an inch-pound torque wrench. All right, so the oil capacity is 0.9 quarts or 0.85 liters or 850 cc's. I'm using a beaker that can hold it all so I can pour it in at one time. And I'm using Shell Rotella T6 10W30. See, it's for motorcycles. All right, so with the Honda models, remember you're not going to screw it in. You just put it in, take it out. Look at that, 850 cc's is perfect, right to the top.